My name is Roy Ombati. Today we're at AB3D, which is our workshop, and this is where we build our 3D printers. Our printers are built from 3D printed parts. The steel frame is stuff that is locally available. We like this because it's very steady, very strong. Every time you're printing, there's a lot of vibration, so you want to minimize that as much as possible. Some of the parts are from electronic waste. So like the motors, all the wires are from electronic waste. In general, motors, when they're created initially, they have a lifespan of about 20 years. But they'll work in a photocopy or whatever for maximum 2, 3, maybe 5 years, then it breaks down. So they still have like a long lease of life. So there's a motor for all axes, except the Z. The Z has 2 motors right here to move it up and down. The Y motor is at the back. This is the X motor, and this is for the extruders. The hot end and the electronics, which we haven't mounted, but it'll be something like this that will sit over here. So electronics in the hot end we import, printed parts we create ourselves. All our work is open source because we started from other people's work as well, right? So because of that, we also freely teach how to build a printer and such. So because of that, we didn't have to fail because people had already done that work for us. So it was easy to start. In fact, our very first prototype worked. Couldn't be where we are without, but we're also contributing to the growth of that community. With the machine, we make other machines, but we've had a myriad of requests from different sectors. For me, what the most exciting thing we printed is there's a set of Conjoined Twins that was separated at Kenyatta Hospital in 2016, late 2016. And the surgery was the first of its kind in Africa. So the twins were joined at the pelvis. And what we did, or the part where 3D printing played a role, was we were commissioned to print a model of the pelvis, which the doctors used to rehearse the surgery. How it worked was the doctors came to us with CT scans, and then there's software online that allows you to manipulate CT scan and then generate a 3D model. And then with that 3D model, we then import the file to our 3D printing software, and then it's as easy as clicking print after that. 3D printing played a role in changing the twins' lives. They're happy, they're alive today.